Whoa. Holy shit. You're recording? You're recording? Oh my god. Oh my god. No fucking way.
I'm recording.
No fucking way. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. What's he typing? I'm scared.
I gotta connect my headphones.
Do you remember the I was watching the video earlier today, and the autism part, you know, the one where it's like I can't speak Spanish still, but I can try and say something.
Don't worry. My second channel is for both languages.
Your Spanish viewers that this video is in English. Vantaplaya.
Hello.
Hello.
I can hear a shit. Your microphone is so shitty.
I can hear.
iPad. Just my
Robot beats. Robot beats.
Robot beat.
my microphone very bad.
Bro has a walkie-talkie as a microphone.
Arregla tu maldito micrófono.
Happy dapper.
I'm going to get suffocated.
¿Qué pasa, pera?
I'm even picking it up from my
All we hear is.
Yeah, all we hear
my
is.
god.
Amo los hombres.
We love men.
Dude, we can't hear you. Entonces, giros de estamos haciendo un video de niveles.
I thought you were going to say
Oh, no. Can you change your profile picture to something better? All I see is the fucking Busta Central mess.
because I'm a dick rider.
Same. Wait, are you on your phone right now?
Yes, I'm on my phone now.
Well, get off your phone.
If someone says good boy to me, I kind of nervous. I don't know. I'm just weird.
Yeah, same. And tell your stupid brother to get out. Robot beats! Robot beats!
It's the robot beast.
Rockio, change your profile picture to something cute.
Robot
For the
I don't
video.
know. I don't know.
Just for the video. Just for the video.
Robot beats.
Quizá más tarde. Robot
So,
beats.
so 9/11. Am I right?
I know, right? Yeah, I totally agree with that. I totally agree with that.
3 dumbass penis.
The tier list that you guys did. Wanna take it?
Correct.
Let's
Yeah.
do it. So since Vanta plays here, I think we should just restart the tier list because, well...
No.
No
I can't-
fucking way.
Alright, boys, let's do it. Put some epic music.
Got everything else.
Man kissing. Oh
Okay,
my.
bro,
Oh
okay.
my. Okay. Delicious.
It's just... Doton Bori lights. Sultan Bori, Majima.
Very good.
Dotonbori Lives is. I don't know.
Oh, great. I think great. Or
Great.
like yes,
Oh.
or great somewhere around.
I think we should put it... What do you think, Arakio?
I don't like niggas. I don't like niggas.
Yes, it's good.
Okay.
Casper, what the fuck are you doing?
Put in good.
You like-
We'll put in good.
Very good.
You
Alright,
like downtown
Solus.
Rumble, don't you?
Solas is. It's
Great. Great. I know you like
Solus?
that song.
it's
Sorry,
excellent.
Solus is...
It's superior.
What do you
like
think?
this one.
Phone in.
Phone
Oh
in.
my god, the
It's
autism.
like-
Oh my god, I'm tweaking.
All
Okay,
right.
dynamic.
Dynamic.
was on my dick, now tell me, bitch, what I was supposed to do.
Maybe okay. Overrated. I don't know. But it's overrated. But it doesn't accept the fact that it's good. It's so good, bro.
It's pretty good. I'd say like yes or good.
Yeah.
What is broken? Search up. No, please do not search up gay porn.
Hold on, I'm just
No.
override. Shit. Once again. Dawn is good. The acapella is goaded.
It's good. It's like it's not that bad. It's pretty good.
Pretty
Yeah.
good, man. Yeah.
But it's good, but I don't like the guitar part too.
Yeah, me too. Is it the fucking dog? Look.
No man. My ball itches.
Why is bro
Look at the-
giggling?
Dude, look at There were
That's
14
fucking
bodies under my porch.
What's happening, dudes? What is going on? It's only dogs. There's 40 bodies under my porch. There's 40.
Fucking. Oh shit. A chick sig.
You like that one, but I don't think it's that good.
What do you think, Arakia?
It's good.
Arakia's dying. Radiator.
Oh
Shit,
no! It's a little bad but good.
Okay. I think it's just bad, honestly.
Nah, fuck yourself. No,
Our
it's
relationship
good.
is, our friendship is
Andre,
ending over Radiator.
No one talks about.
It's going to get worse because radiator.
Hey, vantaplaya.
Yes.
Can you get your dog in your room?
No. He's not.
Oh.
He's not here. He's not here.
Did you put him in the bin?
No.
Oh, okay. Dog ate dog.
Casper ate dog. It's like a little bad but good.
Okay. Arakia, guess what?
What?
Meow.
Boy, you's a nigger. Nigger, you nigger.
Altitude.
Yeah.
Nigger.
Yeah.
Nigger.
Rest and bust the real shit. I'll let your mama cry. Is that the acapella for it? You like Danton Rumble, don't you?
Me when 9/11. Majima kissing.
Okay.
No fucking way. It's good. Hey, I'm going to jerk off right now.
Alright, let's come back to the video.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Do you agree?
Everyone is saying yeah, but in cute boys like a fucking cat boy or something.
Okay.
Old man, yeah.
Okay.
I don't like that shit. I love
Get
twinks.
Me too. This one doesn't have a title.
Doesn't have a title. It's Live, Love, La Saturday.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Subscribe to this cutie or I will come to your house and eat you.
Hey, don't call me cutie, bro. You're making me blush.
Lord,
No, I'm
Alright,
joking.
cutie.
Stop!
Hotline. Broken armor.
I don't like hotline. I let you guys' opinion. I let your guys' choice.
Rakio is cute as fuck. Rakio is lindo as fuck. No,
No, it is very. You like kissing boys.
it's great.
The goat. It's the goat, bro.
You're nasty as
No,
fuck.
what do you think? Okay, what do you think, Rakio?
Of Nomad is
Wait.
awesome.
Gecko Funk. Shit.
Gecko fuck is shit.
Robbery.
Robbery.
It's a masterpiece.
What do you guys think of robbery?
Master.
Okay, robbery.
Bottom G.
It's
I don't
kind of
get
mid. Okay. Yay. Is it just your mind? Okay, playing tricks on you.
Never die. I don't know.
Okay. If I die,
If I die.
Celeste, Delirium, Angel.
Celeste. Okay.
It's mid.
Why is mid? It's good. It's a little bad but good.
That's good. Shizo.
Jizo.
Can you
Schizophrenia.
hear his dog barking, Arakio?
I'm not barking though.
No, not you. The dog. Vantaplaya's dog.
Vanderpool is a dog. He's identified as a dog.
Whoa, motherfucker. Wait, everyone, we all gotta say it at the same time. 3. No.
Haha.
I know there's a chocolate.
Why is there so much anime?
Korean space launch vehicle.
KSLV.
Look at this car.
Why does the? I think you know what's weird. The second KSLV song I added to my playlist was "Don't Hesitate" for some weird reason.
That's so dumb and stupid.
I know. This is 9/11. Okay. Michael Jackson
Michael Jackson? What the
shot
fuck
the
does that
kid.
mean? No.
What kind of fucking name is that? Shot shot the kid.
He's gonna get cancelled.
Rocky, do you know Dark the U?
I don't know.
Look at him. Look at Evie.
This is such a banger.
Dark. I hate Dark the U.
Can you tell me what the fuck does that means? Pinches pendejos, putos, pendejos, putos, pendejos, idiotas.
Me when I wake up in the morning and my dick's hard. Ding.
Yeah, I can relate.
Dark.
Dark.
I think.
Oh my god, bro. It's
Alright,
so
Let's
fucking
continue
bad.
the tier list. We're getting carried away.
Vantaplaya, what the fuck are you sending?
Sadness 3 is great.
Hold on.
Dark
Dark-
to you.
Darte, you.
Dark.
Who got the whole slideshow right now?
I hope DK KSLV sees this
We just
video.
make a
I hope he sees this video and we're just making fun of his song.
Yeah.
Jamaica be like.
Alright, that's it. Yay, we
Yeah,
did
we
it! Oh my
finished it
god, are you guys
finally.
proud?
We moved our
What?
mouse cursors a bit. Yay.
Guys, guess what? Do you guys want to see something